Once upon a time in ancient China, an old wise man wrote a letter for his descendants, in which he shared the 10 secrets of living a fulfilling life. Here is the letter.
Dear, as an old and wise man who has lived for many years, I have learned a lot from my experiences and I want to share 10 secrets with you on how to have a happy and healthy life. Number 1. Eat well, but not too much. A balanced diet is good for your body and mind, but overeating can make you fat and lazy. Remember, moderation is the key. Number 2. Exercise regularly, but not too much. Physical activity is good for your heart and muscles, but pushing yourself too much can cause injuries and exhaustion. Remember, variety is the spice of life. Number 3. Sleep well, but not too much. A good night's sleep is good for your brain and mood, but oversleeping can make you groggy and depressed. Remember, consistency is the magic word. Number 4. Learn well, but not too much. A good education is good for your future and career, but studying too much can make you stressed and bored. Remember, curiosity is the fuel of knowledge. Number 5. Play well, but not too much. A good hobby is good for your creativity and fun, but playing too much can make you distracted and irresponsible. Remember, passion is the fire of joy. Number 6. Work well, but not too much. A good job is good for your income and satisfaction, but working too much can make you tired and unhappy. Remember, balance is the art of living. Number 7. Love well, but not too much. A good relationship is good for your heart and soul, but loving too much can make you clingy and jealous. Remember, respect is the foundation of love. Number 8. Laugh well, but not too much. A good sense of humor is good for your health and happiness, but laughing too much can make you silly and rude. Remember, timing is the essence of comedy. Number 9. Think well, but not too much. A good mind is good for your wisdom and insight, but thinking too much can make you anxious and confused. Remember, clarity is the goal of thinking. Number 10. Enjoy your life well, but not too much. A fun life is good for your spirit and legacy, but going overboard can be harmful for you. Remember, balance and gratitude is the source of living. I hope these tips will help you in your journey of life. Remember, you are the master of your own destiny. Yours, Master Yang.
We can all agree that these tips can easily be source of a happy and healthy life for us as well. Remember, the keyword is not too much.